Welcome to all of you. Today I am going to explain box method of multiple digit multiplication. So what is box method? Box method is also known as grid method and it is an introductory approach to multi-digit multiplication calculations that involve numbers larger than 10. So here we have numbers larger than 10. Let's solve the question. So here our question is multiply 32 and 14 by box method. So what we have to do here, we have to find the product of 32 and 14 by box method. Okay, so what's our first step in box method? We have to write 32 and 14 in expanded form, and we all know the sum of place value of all digits of a number is known as expanded form. So here we can see 32 expanded form is 30 plus 2 and 10 plus 4 is expanded form of 14. Your next step is you have to find number of digits. So here you can see in 32 you have 2 digits and in 14 you have 2 digits. So what you have to do, you have to draw 2 by 2 box. So here you can see in this box we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so this 30 I have written here and this 2 I have written on column second. This 10 I have written on row 1 and this 4 I have written near row 2. Okay, so 10 times 30 equals 300 I have written here. 10 times 2 equals 20 I have written here. 4 times 30 equals 120 I have written here. 4 times 2 equals 8, so I have written here. And after this step what you have to do, you have to add the numbers in the boxes. So the product that you have got, you have to add that product. So here 300, 120, 20 and 8. So you can see here I have added these numbers. Children, please note that you have to write the numbers in the right column. While writing here, you have to write the numbers in the right column, means ones, tens, 100. Please take care of this. Okay, so here after adding this you are getting 448 as the answer by box method, and here you can see long multiplication method. By long multiplication method you are also getting 448 as the answer. So you can use any one of this method, box method or multiplication method, for finding the product. Moving to the next question. So here our question is multiply 152 and 6 by box method. So first step is to write 152 in expanded form. So here I have written in expanded form. Next step, to find the number of digits. Here you can see in 152 we have 3 digits and in 6 we have 1 digit. So we have to draw a box 3 by 1. So here you can see 3 columns and 1 row. Okay, 6 times 100 equals 600, 6 times 50 equals 300, 6 times 2 equals 12. So after doing the multiplication, we are getting 600, 300 and 12. So we have to add these numbers, and after adding these numbers we are getting 912 as the answer by using box method. And you can see here by using long multiplication method also you are getting the same answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Here you can see your question is multiply 48 and 26 by box method. So your first step is to write 48 in expanded form. So here 40 and 8 you have written. Second, you have to write 26 also in expanded form. So you have written 20 here and 6 here. You have arranged in column manner. And after that you have to find the product. 20 times 40 equals 800. 20 times 8 equals 160. 6 times 40 equals 240, 6 times 8 equal 48, and after writing the product you have to add the numbers and you are getting 1248 as the answer by box method. And by long multiplication method also you are getting the same answer. Moving to the next question. So here we have to multiply 3-digit number and 2-digit number by box method. So first step, is to write it in expanded form. 340 and 5 I have written. Next step, write this also in expanded form. So here 10 and 2 I have written column wise. And your next step is to find the number of digits. Here we have 3 digits and here we have 2 digits, so we have to draw a box of 3 by 2. Okay, so here you can see we have 3 columns and 2 rows. Okay, so after multiplying 10 by 300 you are getting 3000, 10 by 40 you are getting 400, 10 times 5 you are getting 50, 2 times 300 you are getting 600, 2 times 40 you are getting 80, 2 times 5 you are getting 10. And what you have to do next, you have to add the numbers in the boxes. After adding the numbers you are getting 4140 as the product. Here also you can see in long multiplication method you are getting the same product. Okay, so with this we come to an end, and I hope these topics are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.